Welcome to Premier Truck Group of North Dallas. Wanted to show you a 2022 Freightliner Cascadia with 395,000 miles. It has a DD15 paired with a DT12 automated manual transmission. You're looking at 455 horsepower with 1750 torque and a 264 ratio. As you can see, we do have a diesel-powered APU. We have aluminum wheels all the way around with a chrome finish. Those are going to be Michelin recaps with a stationary fifth wheel. This blue truck is going to have two dual 100-gallon fuel tanks. That is 200 total gallons. Let me take you inside. You're going to have the Detroit Assurance with the lane departure and collision mitigation. You're going to have a differential lock and a fifth wheel release. Double bunks with new mattresses. Give us a call today.